Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today is going to be kind of a get it all done. I've got about 2 hours this morning before I head to my parents, and I have to, Layton had her dance showcase. The kids are waiting out for the bus and they're just like running around, and Layton's doing backflips and back handsprings and all the stuff, so I'm trying not to look. But she had her showcase over the weekend, and she has like one of those dream duffel bags that has like the big fancy, you guys probably saw it in one of my last videos. We were setting it up. But it's like one of those dance bags that have like the racks inside so you can hang all the costumes and all that stuff. So I got to take her stuff from, Austin took her backpack and is now running with it. Anyway, sorry, so distracted. So I gotta take all her dance shoes and all that stuff out of that bag and set it up for, she's gonna dance like all this week, and then we leave on Friday for competition. So I have that to do. I have groceries to pick up. I have to clean out the fridge, and just because I haven't been here at all, I've been at my parents' every single day. I took a leave from work. As I told you guys before, my dad is sick, so I took a leave from work so I can be there and to help my mom, be with my dad, be with my sister, and all of that. So actually last night, my sister and I went and got matching tattoos. It is in my dad's handwriting. He sends us goodnight and XOXO every night, so we got that, and in his handwriting it says love daddy. So my sister and I both got the same one, and we were excited that we got to go and show him last night once we did it, and he liked it and he approved. So I'm gonna take the bandage off of that today. I need to wipe down the bathrooms. I just, like I said, I haven't been here at all, so it's been kind of hard, and Kevin does really good. He, you know, does laundry and cleans and dusts and vacuums and all that stuff, but just like my normal like cleaning stuff is just kind of fallen by the wayside here. So we're gonna get some of that done. The fridge needs to get cleaned. There's like old food and stuff in there, and it's gross. So I want to make sure I clean that out before I go get the new groceries. Change over Layton's dance bag. I did make a small little to-do list, but I figured I'd just make a quick video and get all the stuff done with you guys. So I obviously haven't been on here as much, but filming here and there when I can, when I feel like it, not forcing anything. But I today got up, I put real pants on. I've been wearing sweatshirts and leggings for like a week and a half now, every single day. So I'm like, it feels good to put on some real pants, and the sun is shining. So I'm gonna get some stuff done here at my house and then head to my parents. So hope you guys enjoy this get it all done. If you are new, make sure you subscribe and like this video. That really helps my channel. So let's clean out the fridge. So we have half of an avocado, which is like a week and a half old, that needs to go. This was some leftover cake. My friend sent food and we didn't eat all of the cake. I don't even know what this is. Oh, this is some of that food. She sent a ton of food. This I got last week. Hopefully, we haven't used it yet. It's used by 3/21, so perfect. We'll use that this week. And I also have that. These grapes, they actually don't look bad, but I got new grapes. So, oh yeah, there's mold in there, a little mold on the vine. So do that, but like the kids just needed, they only have applesauce in here, and usually I get them like yogurts and stuff like that. Oh, I didn't even check this drawer. Oh, these are moldy. Again, this is stuff that's just been sitting in here. This one looks fine. This one, not so much. This is old. Alright, I'm going to finish cleaning this out. I'm going to just wipe down the shelves, and like I said, there's not much in here, but clearly stuff needs to get wiped out because this drawer is nasty. But I'm not doing a big deep clean. I'm just gonna do a quick little cleanup.
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break, I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, but this time we're not safe and sound, not safe and sound. Back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break, I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, but this time we're not safe and sound, not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me?
So much better. I could neaten up the top a little bit, but I don't care that much. Everything is cleaned out. I have some meals that I need to really start cooking at home again because I haven't in, I don't know, a while. But everything is kind of wiped down. Anything that's yucky has been thrown in the trash. So that is done. And it is only 8:33. So I've got time to go do Layton's dance bag and switch that out. All the stuff is downstairs, so we will do that next. All right, this is her dream duffel. She can physically fit in it. But I need to go in and I haven't gone through it since she was there, and I'm nervous she doesn't have all her stuff, but she does. Such a good girl. So, because I was not backstage with her, so I just need to make sure all of that stuff goes in her team bag. And I need to pack her bag. Like, tell me how cute that is. I can't. I need to get her clothes and all that other stuff, but my friend was backstage and she said she reorganized the whole thing and put everything in there. So I just don't know where the poles are. That's could be a problem unless they put them back here. Yep, Okay, I was like, oh no. So there's these poles that go right in here, and they go right on the sides, and then a rack comes right up at the top. And they get to hang all their costumes and do all that stuff. So she's got all her makeup and lights and all that stuff. So all of her costumes are in here. And there we go. That is done. I'm just leaving it down here because, like I said, we leave on Friday. So, another thing done off the to-do list. All right, so I just got a notification that my groceries are ready to get picked up. So I'm going to do that. And when I come back, I'm going to make myself some breakfast because I'm starving. I think I'm gonna make some French toast. So I'm gonna have that, and I ordered strawberries. So I wanna wait and have the strawberries with them because I don't have any, and that's what makes them the best. So I'll share the grocery haul with you, then we'll make some breakfast and some coffee. We'll wipe down the bathrooms, do a little tidy, and we will be done. So I'll see you guys when I get back from the grocery store. All right, here's my tiny little grocery haul. I did order a big thing of chicken, like a whole roasted chicken, and they didn't have it. It just says out of stock on my thing. So just got a little bit of produce, got some strawberries, I got some green grapes, got some Go-Gurts for the kids. Look at this, for St. Patrick's Day, I'm gonna put it away. The leprechaun always brings Lucky Charms. I got, these were both like 84 cents or something silly, so 86 cents. I got Golden Grams. Kevin loves Golden Grams. I don't usually buy like crap cereal like that, but whatever at this point. The kids wanted some fruit snacks, so I got some of that. I got some of these to try. These Nature Valley crunchy dipped little like breakfast bar things. And I thought those looked really good just for like a quick little breakfast for myself or for the kids. And I got some mini pancakes. So all this was like 36 bucks, which, oh, and I don't know if I said this, a big thing of ground beef. Typically I buy the organic ground beef, but this was on sale. I think I only paid $15 for all this, so I didn't think that was bad. I am going to put all of this away. I'm gonna soak my produce, and then I'm gonna make my French toast.
Want the good, want the bad, all the feelings. Want you happy and sad in between them. If there's one thing I truly believe in, ordinary love, ordinary love. I wanna oversleep in your shirt 'cause it's ours. Brush my teeth while you're taking a shower. If there's one thing I know, there is power in ordinary love, ordinary love. Don't you ever say you are not enough, baby, you're enough, so don't you be afraid and take a leap of faith. It doesn't have to be holy, holy. I'm not asking for a God, just as long as you show me some ordinary love. So kiss me in the night, tell me that you're mine.
All right, so this is the bread I use, and then I just use eggs and a little bit of milk, but it is so good, and it's got like good fiber. The calories are great. I usually make 3 pieces, so it's 120 calories, and I put some strawberries and a little bit of, I have like real maple syrup. Don't judge me, this cabinet's a mess. Just a little bit drizzle of that on it, and it is delicious. So we're gonna make some breakfast and make some coffee, and then we're gonna do some cleaning. All right, and breakfast is made. We are going to eat this. It is so good and super filling too. So I'm gonna eat this, and then we are gonna get some cleaning done.
Doesn't have to be holy, holy, when it's ordinary love, ordinary love, ordinary love. Yeah, wanna fix, wanna heal where it's hurting. Gonna put out the fire where it's burning. ordinary love, ordinary love. Yeah. Don't you ever say you are not enough, baby, you're enough. So don't you be afraid and take a leap of faith. It doesn't have to be holy, holy. I'm not asking for a God, just as long as you show me some ordinary love. So kiss me in the night, tell me that you're mine. Don't need much to believe, doesn't have to be holy, holy. When it's ordinary love, ordinary love, ordinary love, yeah. Ordinary love.
Time to clean the bathrooms, and for the first time ever, Austin got a toy yesterday and it's got to like change color or something, but I'm gonna empty it out because I feel like if it sits in water all day, it's gonna like fall apart. But I'm pleasantly surprised at the level my sink is draining slow. I need to put some baking soda and white vinegar in there, but the bathroom is not a total mess. I haven't even been in here. So they've been doing a good job. Usually there's toothpaste all down the front of these cabinets, and it's usually just a major mess, but they've been doing good, helping out their mama. So I'm gonna just get everything wiped down. I'm just gonna do in here, and I'll film in here, but I'm gonna do the same thing in my bathroom.
You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch, that your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Not sure what I
Right, the last thing on my to-do list is we're going to take off the bandage to my tattoo. So, let's see how that's gonna go. Love it. Looks so good. It's crazy that it's like in the tape. But I love it. So, before I get emotional, that is the end of this video. I'm gonna do some editing. I'm gonna get some videos up. I have a what I got my kids for Easter video to edit. I've already done all that, got all that all done. And what else do I have to do? Just some editing before I head over to my parents. I might just upload everything and then just do it there while I sit there with my dad. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.